We're here on a rainy day in West Petaluma and just looking at a project that we finished up on some privacy fencing and fence replacement. So what we did here was they had some old fences that had failed and some tree removals with the neighbors. So we came in and did some redwood privacy fencing here. So stepped down this to kind of separate against the neighbor's driveway. And then some nice redwood board fencing with some square lattice on top here. And then a 6-foot privacy fence and gate that leads us into the backyard. And then also here we redid an existing fence that we'll take a look at here in the backyard. So here in the backyard they had a wood frame and wire fence that you can see over here where there was that existing pressure treated frame fence. And so what we did was we replaced that with a redwood frame fence here. And so this featured 4x6 posts here, and then you can see that welded green wire mesh. We like the green mesh because it blends in a little bit more. It doesn't attract our eye as much as the galvanized mesh. So you can see that there. We integrated, there's an existing planter that was part of the patio that we integrated here, and then integrated our just simple gates here to get us in and out of this space. They have dogs here, so what they wanted to do was kind of segregate these spaces a little bit and have a way to kind of move the dogs from one area of the yard to the other. So we can see this nice fence. We like 4x6s because they give the fence a little bit more substantial feel, and they also offer better decay resistance over time than just a 4x4, which will tend to rot away faster. So that's this fence installation here in West Petaluma.